Welcome to qnawire.
Our question says that we have a ball which weighs 140 grams. So I write the mass as 0.140 kilograms, since we want to use SI units. That's traveling towards a wall, and it hits the wall and rebounds with the exact same velocity in the opposite direction as in which it started. So the initial velocity, VI, is minus the final velocity. And the initial velocity, we're told, is 7.8 meters per second. So this is an elastic collision. And it says it lasts for 3.80 milliseconds. So I convert that to seconds, and it's 3.80 times 10 to the minus 3 seconds. And based on this information, it wants us to calculate the impulse and the average velocity. Well, the impulse of an elastic collision is J is equal to mass times the change in velocity. Okay, so this is, this is mass times the initial velocity minus the mass times the final velocity, which, since the initial velocity is negative the final velocity, this is 2 times the mass times the initial velocity. So plug those values into this expression, and it comes out to be 2.18 kilograms times meters per second. We can box that in as our solution to part A. Part B wants us to calculate the average velocity. Well, the average velocity, or excuse me, not the average velocity, the average force. The average force here is the impulse divided by the time in which the interaction or that impulse is happening. So plug in the value we just calculated for impulse, as well as the value for the time of the interaction, delta t. This is 575 units here, since its force are newtons. Box it in as a solution to part B.